What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore an incredible tool that's going to revolutionize the way you organize and give gifts. Say hello to the Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker, a device so versatile and feature-packed, it's a must-have for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their daily lives. This powerful little machine can do everything from printing waterproof labels to creating exquisite gift ribbons, and we're excited to dive in and show you just what it can do. First off, let's talk about the label maker's ability to produce waterproof labels that can withstand even the most extreme temperatures. Whether you're looking to label items for outdoor use or need tags that can survive the dishwasher, the Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker has got you covered. The labels and printed ribbons are built to last, remaining clear and intact even in harsh environments. And with a temperature range of -12 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, you can use them for everything from freezer storage tags to outdoor gift displays. This feature alone makes the Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker an essential tool for anyone who needs to label items that will be exposed to the elements. But that's not all. The Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker also comes with access to over 1,000 customizable templates for labels and ribbons, thanks to the Phomemo app. With this app, you can elevate your gifts and items with professional-looking designs, QR codes, and more. Basic members get access to 1,000-plus templates, 200 fonts, and 200-plus borders, while A+ Premium membership unlocks unlimited creative possibilities. This means you can create unique and personalized labels and ribbons for any occasion, from birthdays and weddings to special events and everyday use. The possibilities are endless, and with the Phomemo app, you'll never run out of ideas. Another feature that really sets the Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker apart is its professional ribbon printing capabilities. This device is a must-have for anyone who loves to give gifts, as it allows you to create custom ribbon decorations that add a personal touch to any present. The A30 ribbon printer supports dedicated ribbon consumables, enabling clear, smudge-free ribbon printing that looks like it was done by a professional. You can add names, greetings, or patterns to your ribbons to make your gifts truly unique and memorable, and with no extra tools needed, you can achieve salon-level gift wrapping effects at home. Whether you're looking to create beautiful gift tags, decorate special occasion gifts, or simply add a personal touch to your everyday items, the Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker is the perfect tool for the job. The Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker is also incredibly versatile, working seamlessly with multiple label types, including pre-cut and continuous labels, pattern labels, fridge magnetic labels, colored font labels, ribbons, fabric iron-on labels, glitter labels, hot stamping labels, and luminous labels. This means you can use it for a wide range of applications, from gift decoration and food storage labeling to cosmetic organization, notebook tagging, price labeling, supply identification, and name tags. The prints are fade-resistant, water-repellent, and temperature-tolerant, staying crisp and durable through daily wear and tear. And with the device's long-lasting battery life, you can use it wherever and whenever you need to. In conclusion, the Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker is an incredible tool that's perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their daily lives. With its waterproof labels, customizable templates, professional ribbon printing capabilities, and versatile label compatibility, it's a must-have for home, office, and school use. Whether you're looking to organize your space, give gifts, or simply add a personal touch to your everyday items, the Phomemo Ribbon Label Maker is the perfect tool for the job. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing device and start creating your own unique labels and ribbons today. Trust us, you won't regret it. This device is a game changer, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.